Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. That ridged pattern pressed into your palate right now exists on no one else alive. Everyone knows about fingerprints. Police have used them since 1892, when Argentine officer Juan Vucetich matched a bloody print to a murderer named Francisco Rojas. That case proved something simple. No two humans share the same ridges. But fingerprints are just the beginning. Your tongue print is unique too. Every bump, every fold of tissue is arranged in a pattern that forms before you're even born and never repeats in another person. Researchers have proposed tongue scanning as a biometric ID method precisely because it's nearly impossible to fake or forge. Your ears are unique. The shape of your outer ear, called the pinna, is so individual that some forensic teams use earprints left on windows and doors to place suspects at crime scenes. Even your gut has a fingerprint. Trillions of bacteria live inside your digestive tract, and the exact combination of species is different in every person on Earth. Scientists at Yale found that gut microbiome profiles could identify individuals with over 80% accuracy just from analyzing what lives inside them. Why does the body do this? Why does it keep signing its work in places no one thinks to look? Part of the answer is chaos. In the womb, tiny, random variations in blood flow and cell growth shape ridges on your fingers and folds on your tongue. Even identical twins, who share the same DNA, end up with different fingerprints because DNA sets the general pattern, but the fine details are written by chance. Your heartbeat has its own signature too. The exact rhythm and electrical timing of your heart, called an ECG pattern, is distinct enough that in 2017, the Pentagon tested a device that could identify a person from 200 meters away just by reading the unique way their heart beats. Even the way you walk is a fingerprint. Your gait, the specific rhythm and pressure of every step, is so consistent that some smartphone security systems can now recognize you just by how you move while carrying the phone in your pocket. So how many of these signatures does one person carry? Fingerprints, tongue prints, ear shape, gut bacteria, heartbeat rhythm, walking gait. Some researchers even point to the vein patterns in your palm, which is why certain ATMs in Japan scan your hand instead of asking for a card. Layer all of these together, and a strange picture emerges. Your body isn't one identity. It's dozens of separate identities, stacked on top of each other, each one written by a different kind of randomness, each one impossible to copy. We spend so much time thinking about what makes us unique on the inside. Our memories, our choices, our personalities. But your body was making the case for your individuality before you ever had a single thought. It was writing your signature into your tongue, your ears, your heartbeat, long before you knew you had one to give. You didn't choose to be unrepeatable. You were built that way, one accident of chaos at a time,